Look at this shit. Oh, baby, it is coming down. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the city. I got fucking food on me. What the fuck is it on my hand? And bitch, it is snowing the fuck down. It's snowing down. Look at this shit, y'all. Bitch, it's snowing the fuck down. But anyways, y'all, I got this. What the fuck is this? I got this vent mount, right? Because I be needing to put y'all up on something. So, and I got it from Fab Below. It was only like $5. But I've been needing one. And it's pink and it's cute, bitch. So we about to see. We about to see what it do. Y'all, I had to. Let me tell you something. Chicago weather ain't no fucking joke. Okay? This compared to motherfucking Houston. Hey! Open this bitch. It's so cute though, y'all. Look at it. Bitch, and I love pink. I love pink. Ain't shit in my motherfucking car pink, but what the fuck is all this shit that it come with? Oh, that's cute. Super cute. Like that. Oh, this is so fucking cute, bitch. This is cute. And I'm guessing you just... Let's undo that one first. Boom. Tighten it back up. Wait. How do you pull this out? I'm sitting up here like trying to figure out how the fuck to pull this out. I'm glad I didn't do too much. I almost broke it. But it's a button right there on the side. Ah, bitch! And then I'm finna put y'all right here. And it swizzles, okay? So, bitch, we might be in motherfucking business. Okay, now, wait, okay. Just let me tighten this back up because... Y'all, and I just left McDonald's because, bitch, I wanted some nuggets. Y'all know that's my little thing right now. That's my little thing. This is so fucking cute. Okay, this is cute, y'all. High heels on my... Okay, now, the phone case that I got... Bitch, the shit is upside down. Give me a second. It's supposed to be like this. Like this. I'm wondering, like, what the fuck? They should have put that base at the bottom or something. Oh, wait. Bitch! Y'all, we got action. Because y'all know I've been looking for a car mount for the fucking longest, and I finally found it. Y'all, I finally found it. So this what the view looking like with the car mount, bitch. Y'all got snow and shit all in my motherfucking head. Shout out to my motherfucking barber, Pharaoh. He be doing his thing. As y'all know, I had to go find another fucking barber because bitches be acting weird. So... Only thing is, first off, because my motherfucking ass is hot. This motherfucking heat warmer. But y'all, of course, sweet and sour. Y'all know I had to find another fucking barber because bitches be acting weird. Niggas be acting weird too, but damn. But shout out to my barber because, y'all, sometimes I don't want to talk during my appointment. Bitch, I just want to get my hair cut, get my hair done, get my eyebrows done, and get the fuck on. Sometimes, bitch, I be tired. Sometimes, bitch, I don't be in the mood. Y'all, I don't know what the fuck that is. Like, I don't know. Like, sometimes I just don't want to fucking be bothered. And shout out to him because he don't take offense to me like being fucking quiet. He don't take offense to me not wanting to talk. You know? Like, that's one thing I do like about him. And he always fit me in. So I fucks with him. And he be getting my shit right. Y'all see me? Line be crispy as hell. He always get me right. Okay, y'all, so look. I'm finna put y'all on real quick. Because when you go and get your nuggets extra crispy. Y'all walking around eating them soft ass nuggets. And low key, this not as crispy as they can get them, but y'all get y'all some motherfucking extra crispy nuggets. Cause what the fuck you doing eating that soft ass shit? Y'all hear that? I had a post sound. And shout out to McDonald's because normally you have to fight and beg for another sauce. She just gave it to me. But, y'all, I had some on my mind that I was just about to vent to y'all about because I just been thinking about it. People, when you, let me find the best way, the nicest way to put this. When you get bigger in the world, get better in the world, go up in status or success or whatever the fuck. And you're not in that same space no more. People gonna start thinking you acting weird. Motherfuckers gonna think you acting weird. And they gonna think you being phony and fake and this, that, and the third, when in reality, they're looking for a person or a version of you that no longer exists. They looking for the party in you. Like you might have had kids and shit, and you so used to you going out and partying and shit with them. They looking for the party version of you. Your ass might be a recovering drug addict or alcoholic. Shout out to all of y'all. But you might have them people that come back around from your old life, and they looking for the drug addict you, the alcoholic you. Yeah, she could have went a little hard on my nuggets. But I had to tell myself, like, don't feel bad. Like, when you can't relate to people that you used to fuck with. Or don't feel bad when the people you used to hang around with, y'all can't hang around no more. Because y'all don't have shit in interest. Shit in common. Y'all don't have no interest in common. You know, they still want to party and do this and do that and woo woo woo. And bitch, I'm looking for some money. I'm chasing the bag. I don't give a fuck about. I don't give a fuck about no going to no club or no party or none of that. Bitch, I want a big ass bag of money. The fuck you talking about? So I had to like tell myself like don't feel bad because, you know, I almost told myself like, damn, like you acting funny, like you know, you done moved, you know, bitch out of Chicago and like, bitch, you act like you don't know nobody no more. When in reality, it ain't that I don't know nobody no more. It's just that you bitches ain't got shit in common with me. And that's I mean that in the humblest way possible. We don't have no common interests at all. You know? Like, and that's okay. That is quite okay. That don't mean that I just like you. That don't mean that I don't fuck with you. That don't mean that if you ask me for something, if I have it, I won't give it. That just means, bitch, we can't relate. So with that being said, you have to deal with people accordingly. You have to deal with people on your time. Because everybody not going where the fuck you going. Everybody ain't trying to go where the fuck you going. Bitch, everybody don't want to go where the fuck you going. And you have to be okay with saying okay and just leaving it the fuck alone. Leave it at that. Because you try to go off into that shit, but you hurt your own motherfucking feelings. Trying to check yourself about some shit that got something to do with you, but ain't really got shit to do with you. Because you can't help that you fucking grew. You can't help that you fucking evolved. You can't help that you ain't in the same motherfucking place no more. Y'all, it's snowing like a motherfucker. All my people in the city, y'all know what the fuck is going on. Chicago ain't no bitch. Oh God. Bitch, on God in heaven. Chicago is not no bitch. You gonna pop up and show up every motherfucking time. That bitch gonna rise to occasion every single fucking time. Y'all say y'all want winter? Bitch, here it is. There you go. I don't know what the fuck that be that make people want to fucking talk to me. Bitch, so I look friendly. Like, don't get me wrong, like, I'm nice, but bitch, I'm not friendly. I am not friendly, bitch. I do not, like, hey. You got a better chance talking to my partner. Bitch, I ignore you. Oh, God. I'm that type of motherfucker. I'm the type of motherfucker hating. Like, why does bitch act like that? Why he act like that? Bitch, I don't want to talk. Like, I don't be wanting to talk. You bitches don't be talking about shit. Shit all over my mouth. Y'all, I do not like weird pieces of meat. Bitch, it is really snowing. And like this the thing, y'all, the snow out here, it's like water. It's sticky, but it's slushy. I don't know how to explain it. If you ain't never been to Chicago, Google how the snow is there. Oh, y'all, and then let me tell y'all, this stupid ass bitch, okay, let me tell you something. He been pissing me the fuck off. This fucking Cadillac. Stop getting these big ass cars if you don't know how to drive them. This bitch sitting in the motherfucking McDonald's drive-in, right? When you come in, but she coming out. The bitch is reversing. As she's supposed to be coming out, the bitch is reversing and I'm coming in. So again, y'all, it's snowing and shit. Bitch, of course, tires are slippery, all type of shit. This bitch looking at me like I'm crazy. Bitch, if you weren't trying to reverse coming out of the entrance of the motherfucking parking lot, we wouldn't be in this situation. But y'all, I need to get my road rage under control because I be finna slap the shit out of somebody's mama. Auntie, cousin, uncle, bitch, daddy, whoever the fuck. Bitch, you be finna get slapped. Cause see, I'm the type of motherfucker that'll tell you to get out the car. Like, I don't want to argue while you in the car, bitch. I want you to get out of the car. Y'all, so I just did a little mini McDonald's mukbang with y'all. Shout out to this little vent mount that I just got, y'all. Because this little thing, hey, and I'm pretty sure if I want to turn it this way, I can. But I just thought this was so fucking cute, y'all. This is like, it's perfect. It's like, I like minimalistic shit. Like, I don't like bulky ass shit. Like, you know, like, I don't know how to explain that. Like, it's just make it do what it's supposed to do and that's it. Bitch, none less, none more. Yeah, this cute. Bitch, I be having them. Yeah, y'all, that was good though. Little 10-piece. Right now, that's my thing though, y'all. McNuggets. It used to be Burger King spicy wraps, but right now it's what the fuck you call that thing? What the fuck is that I just say? It's a 10-piece nugget. That should be good. Bow, bow, bow. Y'all, but don't know what the fuck I'm finna do for the rest of my motherfucking day. I need to roll me up another blunt because, y'all, I need to fucking go to the gym. It's been about, how many fucking days has it been? Y'all, and I'm gonna crack my little window a little bit just so the smell of this smoke can go out. But it's been about, how many fucking days? It's probably been about a good 4. Today probably make 5 days since I've been to the gym. And y'all know I've been on my healthy shit. But y'all, what I'm about to say, I was just about to say, y'all, I'm really, really fucking grateful that, you know, everybody was talking about how 2023, they didn't fuck with it, this, that, and the third. Bitch, 2023 snatched the rug the fuck from up under me, okay? So that they can make sure I was at where the fuck I was supposed to be at. So it wasn't like a year that was like all rainbows and gumdrops. But at the same time, 2023 did what the fuck it was supposed to do so that I could be where I'm at in 2024 right now. And it's only January 9th. Like, you get what I'm saying? So I'm grateful for the shit that happened in 2023 that led me to be where the fuck I am in 2024, y'all. Like, you know, and I don't even name my shit because I don't like to, like, I don't want people to think like I'm bragging. You know, I don't like to come off as like showboaty, but y'all, I moved out of my hometown. First time me ever doing it. For real, besides like college. I moved out of my motherfucking hometown. This not my first, but this is my second fucking condo in my name, bitch. I don't even know how many cars. Like, I'm not even gonna get into that, y'all. But I got a new fucking car. I ended up getting a new fucking car. Like, I'm just really blessed, y'all. Like, I'm really blessed. Like, my influencer shit is taking off. My YouTube is taking off. My TikTok is taking off. Instagram, Twitter. Like, make sure y'all follow me on all my socials. It's gonna be in the description. But you know, I'm just really grateful to be able to do what the fuck I do. Like, it's nice, it's lovely. Like, I'm so grateful for the life that I lead, the life that I've created, the life that I've carved out for my motherfucking self, because I'm literally doing every single thing that I said I wanted to do. Sometimes it takes time, right? And there's a process to everything. But for the most part, y'all, I literally have done and am checking off currently still, right, checking off things on my list that I wanted to do for myself, and just making sure that I'm good, like, in this world, the fuck, because bitch, if you don't, who the fuck is? And it just be such a culture shock coming back to my hometown, because you know, I just be seeing motherfuckers, you know, and it's just, I'm grateful, y'all. I'm like grateful. I don't even know how many times I can say that. I'm so grateful for everything that I have, everything that I'm building, everything that I'm about to get. Like, it's just, you know, I get on my knees, fucking, I thank the universe, mother, God, shit, your maker, whoever you like. It really like fuck me up, because it's just like I be seeing people, like, you know, that's not as fortunate as me, you know, and come from the same community that I, you know, the same streets that I grew up in, right? And I just see, you know, like, bitch, I made it out, you know, like, there's still so many people there that are trying to make it out. And I'm just grateful. I'm grateful as fuck. I'm grateful.